Hello children, welcome back. So children, in our previous video, we have completed the topic one and many. One means children, only one, and many means more than one. Okay children? Okay. So today we are going to learn one new topic, that is and are. Yes children, is and are. This topic is also related with one and many. Okay children, is and are is also related with one and many. How? Come, I will show it to you. Let's go to the next slide. So children, look at these pictures. Okay, let us look at the first picture. Okay, how many boys are here children? One, isn't it? Only one boy. So, see, B-O-Y, boy. So, only one boy. That's why no S, isn't it? We don't use S in one. Okay, so see how many boys are here? One boy. That's why only B-O-Y, boy, no S. Okay, now look at this picture children. How many boys? Four boys. More than one. That means many, isn't it? So in many we use S, isn't it? So see, I have written here B-O-Y-S, boys. Okay, here only one boy, that's why no S. See here, here many boys, that's why we will use here what? S. Okay, if one, no S, and if many, then we have to add S. Okay, now I will show you how to use is and are. Okay, where to use is and are. Got it? Okay. So, one means only one. So, with one, we use is. I-S, is. Okay, children? I-S, is. Is means only one. Okay? If the noun is, if the word is only one with no S, then what we have to use? We have to use is. I-S, is. Okay? Now look at it children. Many boys, isn't it? S is also there. Then if you are getting S in the word, then you have to use A-R-E, are. Okay? A-R-E, are. Is used for one and are is used for many. Okay children? Let us see again. See, boy, no S. Only one boy. That's why we will use I-S, is. Now here look at these pictures. Many boys. So many, more than one. So we will add S. Okay? So here many no. That's why we will write A-R-E, are. Okay? Is one. Are is many. Got it children? Okay. Now let's see one more example. So children, look at these pictures. Again, first look at this first picture. What is this children? Kite, isn't it? Kite. How many kites are here? You can see only one kite. That's why see, no S. K-I-T-E, kite. Okay? No S. Again, K-I-T-E, kite. No S. So here see, only one kite. That's why we are using I-S, is. Okay? Only one kite. No S is there. That's why we will use is. Okay. Now look at this picture, children. Many kites are here, isn't it? Many kites, more than one kites. That's why we will add s. And when you find here s, that means it is what? Many. So we will use A-R-E, R. Okay? A-R-E-R. If only one kite, no s, then is. Many kites means if s is there, then we will use A-R-E-R. Okay, children? Okay. Just now, what did we learn, children? We learned that is means only one, no s. Okay? And A-R-E-R, R means more than one. Okay? With s. So children, is means only one, R more than one. Okay? Is used with one, R is used with more than one. That means many. Okay? Yes. Now again, let's go to the next slide. So children, as I told you that is used with one, isn't it? Only one, where no s is there. So look at here. Is used with one person, animal, or a thing. Okay? Is used for one person, one animal, or a thing. Okay? Now R, I told you, no, it is used with what? It is used for many. So here, see children here, R is used for more than one person, animal, or a thing. Okay? Yes, let's learn again. Is used for one person, animal, or a thing, and R is used for more than one person, animal, or a thing. Okay? Now let's go and see some more examples with the pictures. So children, look at here. Look at these words. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Yes, children. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here, no S means one apple. That's why we will use is. Okay? See, A-P-P-L-E, apple. In apple, no S is there. That means one apple. That's why we will use is. Okay, children? Okay. Now look at your children. A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Yes, children. A-P-P-L-E-S, apples means what? S is there, no? That means many apples. Okay? See, S is there. That means many apples. That's why we will use A-R-E-R. Okay? Now look at these words, children. See? H-E-N, hen. Yes, children? H-E-N, hen. No S is there. That means only one hen. Okay? H-E-N, hen. No S. That's why one hen. So we will use is. Okay? Now look at this word, children. H-E-N-S, hands. Hands means, see, S is there, no? That means more than one hand. Many hands. Okay? That's why we will use A-R-E-R. Only one hand with no S. Then we will use is is, and if S is there means many hands, so we will use A-R-E-R. Okay? Now again children, look at these words. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion, no S is there, that's why one lion. If one lion, then we will use I-S, is. Okay? Again, L-I-O-N, lion, no S. So, means one lion. That's why we will use I-S, is. Now look at this word children. L-I-O-N-S, lions. L-I-O-N-S, lions. So S is there. That means what children? Many lions, isn't it? That's why we will write A-R-E-R. Okay? L-I-O-N-S, lions. Means S is there, so many lions. So we will use A-R-E-R. Got it children? So now let us look for more words so that you can understand where to write is and where to write are. Okay? So see, D-U-C-K, duck. Yes children, D-U-C-K, duck. Can you find here any S? No. That means this duck is only one. So we will write I-S, is. Now look at this word, D-U-C-K-S, ducks. Can you find here S children? Yes, see, S is there, no? That means many ducks. So if many ducks, then we will write A-R-E-R. Okay? One duck, I-S, is. Many ducks, A-R-E-R. Okay? So now let us go to the last example. So look at here children. Look at these words. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Bird. Can you find here S? No. So we will write I-S, is. Why we have written here I-S, is? Because the bird is only one. One bird. Why one bird? Because no S. So we will write I-S, is. Okay? Now B-I-R-D-S, birds. Yes children? B-I-R-D-S, birds. You can see here S, no children? That means many birds. More than one bird. Many birds. That's why we will write A-R-E-R. Okay children? I'm repeating once again children. When only one person, animal or a thing with no S, then we will use I-S, is. Why? Because only one. Next, when a word is a person, animal or a thing. Okay? If the person, animal or a thing is more than one with S, then we will use A-R-E-R. Okay children? Okay. So children, this much for today. In our next video, I am going to come with more examples. Okay children? Till then, study well. Okay? Bye-bye.